Hello Freedom Traders, this is your Freedom Trader Collins FT. So today we're going to do a quick one just to make sure we put out something valuable out there, we don't miss it out. So again, as usual, we're going to back test. So today is AUD USD. We're going to do back testing for AUD USD, and as usual guys, I want us to be like have this strategy automated in our nervous system so that we can be able to trade automatically without any emotions involved, and making sure that we don't get our psychology messed up if we are on a drawdown or something. So that's why I think it's better for us to practice every single day, looking at the market with different angles and making sure we follow our principles and our strategy, we maintain it. That is the only way we can become profitable traders. So the method is not only technical, it's also psychological. Fundamentals, as I said, you can use this same method. You can add your fundamentals to this same strategy, but for the meantime, it's back testing, so we care less about the fundamental, and we focus more on the market structure, price action, uh, candlesticks, and it is exactly what we'll be doing. So right now we are on uh, a down trend. Always don't forget your trends guys, because it tells us a lot about the market. So we know the rules. When price crosses the trend, what happens next. So so right now we are expecting price to kind of either comes back here, but this is a good reversal signal guys. This is a good reversal signals. Double bottoms, some people they think double bottoms is just always the candles that will come up, so many candlesticks that will go up, come down, and test the same support. No, it can be just two candlesticks. This one is double bottom, very flat. It's a good reversal. And this one, you can see the difference between this one and this one. So this one, there is a wick. This candle has a wick, this doesn't have. This one, none of them have wicks, so it is a strong probability that it's a reversal sign. Price is probably gonna go up, and if we are saying price is gonna go up, where are we expecting price to reach? Since we missed here, price didn't break this moving average, so it's still trading below the moving average, and we expect price, if it's coming down at this level, then let's see what it's gonna do. If it breaks this level, okay, then we will start taking profits down. But for the meantime, we have one level at it reversed here. We are expecting price to either hit here or hit this trend line, or hit this other level here. So do not minimize the levels guys. Levels are levels, no matter how near they are. Even if it's the 10 pip, it's a level, and you should respect that, and the market will reward you. So let's see what price does. This was a sell signal given to us, but I don't believe in this signal because this is stronger than this one. So price might come down here and maybe test this support, then goes back up, or price might not even test this support. If it doesn't reach this support and reaches somewhere here, then it's going to give us a strong buy signal for us to continue to buy. Okay, so this is another indication. We can consider this a buy signal because it's a bullish engulfing candle. So it is somewhere we can trust, and we put our, you see, it coincides, guys, with the trend line. So it coincides with the trend line, and we have another confidence. So we know now that price doesn't want to reach here, and from now it wants to continue to buy and go right up. So it is still giving us, it's not triggered yet. You should note the buy stop has not been triggered. We are still here. Price is still um, doing its thing. It's giving us another sell signal, but as I said, I'm not willing to sell here until I can only sell below this support. As I said, guys, this was a sell signal, but I am not willing to sell. I can only sell below this. I already saw it right here. I mentioned it here that this is a sell signal, but I'm not willing to sell because of this one, and I can only sell below here, so that if price gives me a sell signal below here, I will sell. Okay, so as you can see, it's near support, and we can bring down, this is another signal again. You can see it's similar to this one. It's double bottom. The wicks are very tiny, so this is something we can consider also. And we still have our buy stop here. It's not been triggered. We can just take it down to this one. Yeah, so guys, this is how we're gonna do this one. So that it coincides now perfectly with the trend. So we are expecting price to at least reach at this point, or if it's coming down, it's gonna break here and gives us a complete sell signal. Then we collect our profits uh, somewhere here. Yeah, so we'll be collecting our profit somewhere there. That is if price doesn't trigger again but continues to come down here. So for now, this is our trade. So let's go, guys. Okay, we are in profit, and what I can say is, okay, we can now close and come right up here, so that even if we get kicked out, we're gonna be kicked out in profits or break even. So now we are in break even at this point. I mean, we are in profits, but if price comes back, then it will find us at the break even. But for some people, they will just get out here and maybe re-enter. So funny thing is, when you get out here, you get excited. You are like, okay, price is still gonna come and reach here. Then you just enter here anyhow without actually thinking. Then you put a very long stop loss that will come back right down here, and then you're like, no matter what, even if price does even if you are at 50% drawdown of your account, you know that price is not gonna break here. But what you don't realize is this might be the exhaustion point of this signal. Yeah, so what you do is, instead of getting out and getting in again, you either just get out and forget about this setup and go looking for a different setup, and wait until price reaches here and gives you another setup, or you hold and you do as I want to do now, being sure and confident that at least the price is gonna reach at this level. You see, price is almost hitting us out at at drawdown. So we obviously, anyone will be regretting why we didn't go out here. We were here at the 6610. Now price came back and reached at the 63, like 70 80 pips lost because we were holding. But we are not yet kicked out. I mean, if price actually did kick us out, we would have lost 80 pips. That's why some people would prefer to just get out when they are up 100 pips, because we're already this is 6304 66 17. We're already up like 300 pips, guys. So I would advise anyone, especially when price gives you such a bullish momentum candle, you can just get out here. This is a good one. This is almost like the 6322 and the 6547. So that was like 200 and something pips. So it's a really good one. You better get out and just go look for a different setup and with another pair. But since we were holding, let's see how price did treat us if you decided to hold. Okay, price still continued to go up. So we kind of like almost hit out here. Maybe a couple of pips would have been hit out. Say we were hit out, this is another buy signal. Here we could still re-enter here. That is what some people will do. They will get out here. We could get out here with your 200 pips, come back and re-enter here. This was another signal there, which is also advisable, though you're still risking almost the same thing, but it's much better because you now have something to back you up that, hey, with this one, price is going to continue to go up. So again, with this one, price gave just the next day, it gave another, this is 6484 6694, it gave another 200 pips again. So if you can't just be trading like this, it will be better. So here price gave 200 pips, you get out, you wait for another signal. It gave this one, gives you another 200 pips, you get out, then you're waiting. So which is a very good strategy. Also, it's safe and cautious. So we continuously in profit right now. We're about 500 pips up, which is a good thing. And now price gives us this sell signal. As I said, guys, whenever you have such a big as momentum a candle, be it bearish or bullish, on your trade in your favor, make sure at the end of the day you close so that you can because just one candle like this is it's almost like 100 plus pips, almost 200 pips. So it will be a good thing to get out here. Whatever price is doing here, it's none of your business until it gives you another option like this one. It's giving us a sell signal. So we might not be selling for those who want to sell, or if you want to hold, you can just put here in profits. If it hits you out here, okay, good. But holding here, it's not necessary because price already almost hit our take profit, so there's no need to be holding. What we can do is see if price can give us a sell. If it doesn't give a sell, then no problems. So at the end of the day, guys, it was a profitable one. We didn't lose any trade. We were all in profit, and started from here right up here. That's almost about 500 pips profit. So it was so good. It was so far so good, sorry. And here now, whatever we are doing, we know we've had a good week, and This will just be because we have professional traders. We trade for our daily bread, so that is why you can still continue. But our advice, if you want to continue after having a great week, you should be very careful. Don't put back your profits all in the market. Just 2% or 10% will be okay. So finally, guys, as you can see, price did uh, hit price finally hit our target, so it was a good one for those who held. So same, like, we entered right at this point. So for those who can hold enough, those who are emotionally those who are stoic, for those stoic traders, you can hold from here, being confident that price is gonna hit your take profit, which is a level. It's not something complicated, guys. It's simply just a level in the market, which I start with when I'm setting up my trade. As I said, key levels is where you get out and in, uh, and where you get stopped out. So this was it. It was a good one, and thank you, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and come back to fetch more valuable content. Thank you.